February 28, 2026. This is I-74 headed towards Indianapolis. Coming off the exit ramp. Gaining speed. I am bobtail. Going west on I-74. Yeah, here comes a Swift truck trying to pass me. So I got up to 65, 66. He was still trying to pass me. Had a car on my butt. So I was doing 66, 67. I was actually doing 66 as per my truck. And Swift kicked it in overdrive. So I back it down and let him over. Because there was probably 15 cars or so on the back of him, one car on the back of me. I am bobtail. So I back it down about 64 to let him by. Because it is Swift. So I'm down to, what does it say, 63? So I'm down to 63, 64, letting him pass. And watch what happens in my passenger mirror on my fender. Yeah, so he ended up passing two trucks. And a few miles up the road, good old Swift, he's doing 68. Drops down to 63. So I go past him. He speeds up and fights me. I get around him and he slows back down to 63. So all this was uncalled for, Mr. Swift. You'll have a good day. Make sure you thumb up the video. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. I'll catch you next time. Don't be a driver like this.